In this video, I will show you how to build a website using Carrd. Now, Carrd is a great tool to build free websites, so let's get started. So first you need to go to carrd.co and then you will see this screen. So this works on both PC as well as on mobile. So let's tap on choose a starting point to get started, and here we can select a great template. As you can see, this looks very minimalistic. You can basically filter on different categories, for example, profile, landing page, form, website, portfolio page, or a section page. Now, there are a lot of free themes available, but also some premium, as you can see. If you decide to upgrade, I recommend you to check out the link in the description below to get the best discount codes available. I have a special discount code which you can use to scan basically the best discount codes. But let's just create a let's say this one. Let's say on select. You can also tap on demo first if you want to, and then you can see a live version of this website, as you can see, with some nice animations. You can build a great link in bio website just using this, as you can see. Then tap on select, and here you can basically customize everything that is possible. So there are different sections, as you can see. Right here we see the sidebar, and here we can see all the information we need. First, this is the publish button. So if you tap on this, you will publish this website. I can tap on this, and you do need an account for this. You can just create an account for free. You can fill in your name, email, password, etc. And here you need a title for your website, a description, and you can either publish to carrd.co. So basically it will be like this is my site.carrd.co, or you can add a custom domain if you upgrade. You can save this as a template to basically sell this website, or you can save it as an online draft. And as you can see, you can change this if you upgrade. So that is basically it. That is how you can publish. You can of course also add an icon, a share image. You can do some with Google Analytics, but this is more advanced. This is how it looks on mobile. But let's actually close this for now. Exit. Let's exit this whole site. As you can see, I'm not saving it. And now let's get started with building this site. Now I can tap on this plus button to add a lot of elements. As you can see, you can either add text, lists, images, etc., etc. These are the paid things. You can get access to them for 7 days for free, but yeah, afterwards you do need to pay. So let's change this image, for example. Then we need to tap on upload, and then you can just select any file from your PC. So I just selected this random woman from the internet, from thispersondoesnotexist.com. So this is not the real person. As you can see, you can resize this, except you can even give this a title and a link when people tap on this image, and then just tap on done. Of course, you can also delete this if you want to, this section, by tapping on this delete this element button. You can change the text, and here you can change the how it looks, so like the layout and even the text styles. So if you want to make this italic, you can also do that. Let's say you want to make this as bold and italic. Now what you need to do is you need to take a look at this. So these are the markdown formatting techniques. So right now they've added two what is it called, stars, or I don't know what this is called. But if we want bold and italic, we need to add another star. As you can see, this one, and another one, this one. As you can see now, this name is bold and italic. Of course, do the same for this one if you want to. And one over here, as you can see. And then tap on done, and that is it. That is how you can change text. Of course, you can also change the font over here. And here you can just select a lot of fonts. You can add animations. So this is how it looks right now. You can change the duration. You can change the animation itself. You can again add tags. Basically by adding tags you can basically put them in a section. And here are the buttons. So you can customize them as well. You can add your own links, of course. Label. Let's say this is you want to do Snapchat, and then of course change the Snapchat. Change this icon to Snapchat. Snapchat, as you can see, just like this. And now we've changed this to Snapchat. Then of course we need to change the color as well a bit. This one, and then this one, just like this. That looks better. Yeah, that is basically how you can change the things. You can also add a URL, and then you can tap on allowed URL types. Then we go to email, and then you copy this. Then you paste it over here, and then mail to. That is the email I used to create an account for this. But then you actually type mail to, and then you add your own email address over here. So mail to, and then you add your own email at gmail.com. So when people tap on that contact button, they will open their email app, and then they will see the sender, the receiver, which is your email. So that is basically how you can make a very advanced site. There are so many options within this free editor. You can add tables, icons, links, buttons, etc., etc. It is genuinely endless, and it is very, very great. Let's say we want to add a timer. Let's say it is the 1st of January 2025. Let's see, where is this? 2025 over here. Let's say at exactly 12 o'clock, midnight, just like this. You can even choose the time zone. All right, so and now it's counting the how many days there are left. Count down. Done. Yeah, that is it. So that is basically how you can create a full site, working on mobile, working on PC, for free. And again, if you decide to upgrade, I recommend you to check out the link in the description below, or just copy the code, and then you can create a free site that is working perfectly fine, that is very responsive, and that is just very good in general. There are a lot of templates available. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.